This is Geoff with In-Depth Studies, and today we're looking at Romans chapter 11, verses 25 and 26, where the Apostle Paul says, I do not want you to be ignorant of this mystery, brothers and sisters, so that you may not be conceited. Israel has experienced a hardening in part until the full number of the Gentiles has come in, and in this way all Israel will be saved. So how do we get to this conclusion, and what is the conclusion? In Romans 9, verse 6, the beginning of this argument that culminates here in 11, 25, and 26, Paul is making the case that not all Israel is Israel. Not all physical Israel is spiritual Israel. Well, then how do you become a spiritual Israelite? Well, that's why he gets into this whole issue of election. God has to choose. Well, then how many physical Israelites is he going to choose? Well, Romans 11:5 says, a remnant chosen by grace. So only a remnant, which means that most of spiritual Israel will be Gentiles. A small portion, a remnant, will be Jews. So when you get to this final statement, Israel has experienced a hardening in part until the full number of the Gentiles has come in. That's describing what is taking place from Pentecost to the end. That is, a remnant of Jews are coming to faith in Christ. The majority of the real people of God, a spiritual Israel, going to be Gentiles. When both of these two groups come to faith in Jesus Christ, then all Israel will be saved. That is, all of spiritual Israel. So from 9:6 through 11:26, this argument, the Apostle Paul is just making the case of what is God's plan for physical Israel in the New Covenant era. And, of course, the answer is he's only going to save a remnant because Israel as a whole is always a unbelieving picture of the people of God. So these are my thoughts on this most controversial of all passages. But if you have any questions, check out our website, ids.org. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.